Yes. Here, fancy. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more mocktail. The mocktail name is Blue Guava Wave. How to make Blue Guava Wave? First of all, take a shaker glass and you have to add 30 ml of strawberry crush. Then you have to pour like 200 ml of guava juice. Then you have to squeeze on lemon. Very simple mocktail you can prepare. Then you have to add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then shake the all the ingredients into the pickle. Take anything of American glass or anything of fancy glass and pour all the ingredients into the. Then simply what you'll do is serve with straw. Take a glass, add 5 ml of 5 to 10 ml of blue cocoa syrup and add soda. Then slowly you have to pour the drinks. Yeah, the fancy color came very simple mocktail you can try. Then this is the blue guava wave mocktail. You can garnish with lime slices and yes, your fancy mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.